You can add your water, your salt, and your honey to your flour mixture. Go ahead and turn your mixer on, mix. You're gonna leave it on there. And we're gonna slowly pour in your yeast mixture. Make sure you get it all in there. You scrape it out with the spatula after. And then you're gonna add your starter. You're gonna let that go for about 1 minute just to get everything incorporated. Then you're gonna turn it on number 2 or 3, medium speed, and let it go for 10 minutes. Alright, so the dough's been going for 10 minutes. It's gonna be a little bit wetter of a dough because you're gonna be adding flour as it goes through the process. So flour up your hand so that it doesn't stick. You're gonna pour the dough out onto the cutting board. So just what I do is I'll stretch it out and I do the 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and then tuck this guy all the way over. Now you have a nice soft dough. Place it inside your oiled bowl and then we're gonna cover it, and about 2 hours later we're gonna start folding it. Alright, so it's been 2 hours. As you can see, the dough has doubled. Spread out some flour because you're going to be stretching this dough, because you're going to kind of laminate it, which means folding over. So this is your dough. It's nice and beautiful. See how big it got? So you're going to turn all the contents out. It should just plop right out. It's going to deflate, but don't worry about that. Alright, so take your cheese. You kind of just space it out. You kind of want to go like a zigzag. All right, fold, tuck, cheese, 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 cheese. All right, fold and tuck again. So it's gonna kind of slide it over. Stretch this part out, and I just throw them right here. 1, 2. Yeah, kind of scoot them over. So you want them all covered up. You're gonna take this part, tuck it over. Now I'm gonna use a hotel pan. This is the biggest one I got. I'm just gonna lift it up and drop it in. You're gonna tuck in the sides. It's okay if this cheese pops out. Tuck in the sides, and it's going to look like that. Now you're going to cover it and you're going to let it proof for another hour. Alright, so it's been resting again for another hour. You can see that it's proofed all the way up to almost a little over the rim. Take off your top cover, and then what you're going to do is you're going to just take some of that cheese you had from earlier and you're just going to shred it and you're going to put it on top. And that's going to melt. It's going to turn like a real dark brown, but it gives a real nice taste to your crust. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to go into the sides and burning. So just kind of spread it out. Now place it inside an oven at 375, and you're going to check on it in about 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been drying. It's nice and cool. Really nice color on it.